The field of mini hosts has never been tepid to now. One machine is hard to find. It can be seen that users' choice of PCs in the new consumption era is gradually changing, and the entry of Xiaomi is enough to see that this field will usher in a new era in the next few years. As a mini PC manufacturer that started earlier in the industry, Beelink is firmly among the top brands on all e-commerce platforms, with the same configuration and price ratio and service. The 3-year warranty and 30-day unconditional refund showed that the brand has a strong influence on its products. Enough confidence and enough sincerity to users. The mini host that I bought today is the newly launched Beelink SER6 Pro VEST version. The mini host equipped with the 7735HS processor can be regarded as an advanced version of the 6800H price increase. Barebone version 2398, 32 and 512 gigs version. Looking at the Beelink SER6 Pro VEST, it is equipped with a 7735HS processor with the highest turbo frequency of 4.75 GHz. The price is not only stabbed by the 6800H of the previous generation SER6 Pro, but also a few blocks away from the 1240p of a certain meter. More importantly, it is also equipped with 4800 MHz DDR5 memory and PCIe 4.0 storage, and supports Wi-Fi 6. The whole Mini PC adopts an exclusive dual fan appearance, which ensures heat dissipation under the premise of giving full plated performance. The appearance volume is 126 by 113 by 42 mm, which is very small, and the weight of the whole machine is 515 grams, which is also very portable, and it also supports the replacement of the cover plate. You can easily change the color of the main unit with simple hands. In terms of interfaces, Beelink SER6 Pro VEST can be said to have everything you need. Basically, all the interfaces you can think of are ready for us. There are two 10 Gbps USB 3.2 interfaces, a 40 Gbps full-featured USB 4 interface, and a 3.5mm the headphone jack. The red switch is still classic. The interface on the back of the Mini PC includes one 2.5G LAN port, one USB 3.2G and 2 Type-A, one USB 2.0, and two HDMI high-definition interfaces, supporting 4K 60Hz, and supports 3 screen displays. This interface lineup is basically it meets the needs of most people and is more reasonable in appearance. In order to allow users to configure and choose more independently, mini hosts generally prepare two versions: barebone system and complete machine. The barebone system does not come with a hard disk and memory stick when leaving the factory, so you need to purchase it yourself. My model is equipped with two 16 gigs DDR5 dual-channel memory, a total of 32 gigs. The hard disk is a 2280 specification NVMe M2 solid state, with a read speed of 3500 GB/s, and supports up to 2 TB storage. Of course, it can also be expanded by adding a 2.5-inch SSD. After getting a preliminary understanding of Beelink SER6 Pro VEST, let's run a score according to the usual practice to see what the grade of this mini host is. The comprehensive score in Antutu's running score is 1.1 million, beating the national benchmark. 85% of the users have a graphics card score of nearly 120,000. This score is also very good for a large host. In 3D Mark 11 performance, the running score is 10,618, of which the graphics score is 10,584, and the physical score is 16,787. You can see the graphics card score in the Time Spy test results. The CPU score is 2298, and the total test score is 8187. In terms of heat dissipation, I was worried about the heat dissipation of the mini host before. After I actually used the Beelink SER6 Pro VEST to conduct a donut baking machine test at a room temperature of 23 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, I really felt that the heat dissipation was really powerful. The temperature measurement gun, the measured air outlet, is about 44 degrees Celsius, and the fan noise can basically be ignored, and the heat dissipation is still very powerful. In terms of video editing is more dependent on the processor and graphics card of the host, especially when previewing, rendering and exporting, is a test of the performance of the host. It is smooth and silky when using clipping for multi-track, multi-material 4K material editing, and there is no sense of frustration in operations, such as material dragging, effect adding, and previewing, and the export is also very fast, so there is no pressure to edit 4K high-definition material. In terms of games, we all know that most games rely on computer processors and graphics cards. TDP 3554W 6nm EN3 Plus architecture 7735HS processor is equipped with Radeon 680M graphics card. The performance is still very strong, even if it is 3A masterpieces can also be easily dealt with. First of all, use the currently popular Genshin Impact for testing. The 2560x1440 medium quality and 1920x1080 resolution high quality can be stabilized at around 58 frames. The game is very smooth, and the fan noise is not loud all the way. In the 1080p picture quality test, PUBG Mobile can maintain around 50 frames, and Red Dead Redemption can also have 40 FPS, not to mention that some netizens play World of Tanks and the like, all of which are above 70 FPS. Most games are easy to handle. For example, some games such as CSGO, League of Legends, and DNF do not have high requirements on the host configuration, so they are easier to play without any pressure. Finally, Beelink SER6 Pro VEST is equipped with 7735HS processor, and the core display 680M is equivalent to MX550 or 1050 Ti level desktop graphics card, which can be easily handled whether you are in office or game entertainment. In addition, notebooks equipped with Ryzen 6800H cost more than $5,000 now, not to mention that this mini host is equipped with an advanced version of 7735HS. Whether you want to save a host or plan to choose a notebook, listen to my advice. Get one for $435 Beelink SER6 Pro VEST. Isn't it delicious? What do you think about the new Mini PC? Write your opinion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.